It might not be considered a critical skill in today's world, but having good handwriting can actually help serve you in a great way, as it helps your communication skills, making your writing more legible. In this video, I give you 5 tips to improve your handwriting. Number 1. Choose the right pen. The first and most obvious step to good handwriting is to use a pen which suits your personal needs and taste. What works for one may not work well for others. For example, I personally don't enjoy writing with a fountain pen and find a ballpoint pen suits my handwriting better. So experiment and try a few different pens to find which one works best for you. Number 2. Maintain a relaxed grip. When many of us write, we often have a tendency to grip the pen harder than we need to. This can actually cause us to feel a strain in our hand, and after writing for a period of time can be painful. Instead, having a relaxed grip can actually work to improve your handwriting, as you're more in control when relaxed and aren't straining yourself when performing the action. Number 3. Practice. It might seem obvious, but as with any skill, practicing is often the best and most consistent way to improve. And it's the same when trying to improve your handwriting. Practice makes perfect. So write whenever you can, keep a daily journal if possible, and work towards improving your handwriting. Find opportunities to write during the day too, such as taking notes when in a meeting. Number 4. Use lined paper. Having lines on paper when writing can give you structure and guidance in order to ensure you write straight and maintain your letter size. Doing this will help give you even and correct proportions to your text, which looks particularly neat when you look at what you have written from a distance, as paragraphs appear to be more square. One trick is, if writing on plain paper, is to put a lined sheet underneath, as often you'll be able to see the lines through the paper. Number 5. Express yourself. As with all forms of communication, your writing is unique to you and shows elements of your character. So write in a style that makes you happy and satisfied, as when you do, you show your personality, making your writing all the more endearing. So practice, write well, and communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.